Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 350 Coupe. This boat has the extended swim platform, the outdoor summer kitchen with the grill and the sink. It does also have pull-out drawers for storage on both sides. All of your hookup and compartments are located inside here. This boat is also equipped with the submergible swim platform option as well. As we enter the boat, you'll see a huge seating area in the cockpit. It does have the filler cushion to make the sun pad here in the back. You have seating on the other side. Also, this boat is powered by the Mercruiser 8.2 mags and joystick, and those are 380 horsepower. As we come up, you do have AC here in the cockpit. You have a cockpit television. Up here at the helm, you've got the joystick with the skyhook feature, tilt wheel steering, fusion stereo. This does have the big SIMRAD screen, and you also have the SIMRAD 4G radar as well. Trim tabs, and you'll see the lounger on the port side. As we enter down below in the cabin, you will see your galley and your sofa, and it does pull out and make a bed. You have the forward bed. Over here you have your electronics panel, another television. You'll have a huge bathroom area with stand-up shower. This boat does have a very spacious mid-cabin. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 350 Coupe. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.